Okay.
Let's now go to kidneys, urinary bladder. Let's discuss damp heat in Chinese medicine. Exploring the concept of dampness and heat in Chinese medicine pertaining to kidney and urinary function. The kidneys and urinary bladder are essential organs in the human body responsible for filtering waste, regulating fluid balance, and maintaining electrolyte levels. They play a crucial role in detoxification and overall homeostasis, impacting various bodily systems and functions. Understanding dampness in Chinese medicine. Dampness is regarded as a pathogenic factor in Chinese medicine associated with infections, inflammation, disease, and inflammatory conditions. Dampness is regarded as a pathogenic factor in TCM affecting the body of obstructing normal physiological functions and leading to various health issues. In contemporary physiology, dampness can be visualized as an improper regulation of glucose, fats, and proteins in the blood, which compromises the nourishment of organs and systems. The accumulation of dampness can result in edema, impaired kidney function, leading to various symptoms, including swelling and discomfort. The impact of dampness on bodily functions. Leading to inadequate nutrition for organs and systems. This results in reduced kidney function and can contribute to conditions like edema, reflecting the thickening of nutrient soup in circulation. Understanding heat in TCM. In TCM, heat represents an internal condition of increased warmth which can manifest as a response to infections or as a result of organ dysfunction. This can lead to discomfort and various symptoms. Heat may arise from the body's natural defense mechanisms, reacting to pathogens or due to a malfunction in the organs, leading to an imbalance in the body's internal environment. Symptoms associated with heat include redness, swelling, and increased warmth in affected areas. This can also lead to sensations of discomfort such as burning urination or skin irritations. Understanding damp heat in TCM. In Chinese medicine, damp heat represents a pathological state where the body's moisture and warmth become imbalanced. This condition often manifests as discomforting symptoms, particularly affecting kidney function and leading to issues such as burning during urination. Symptoms of damp heat focus on urination, burning sensation during urination, frequent urination and urgency, possible infections like thrush, accompanying symptoms like itching, discomfort during sexual activity, dark, cloudy urine. Acupoints for treating damp heat. Pancreas 6 and pancreas 9 are acupoints that play a crucial role in enhancing digestive function. By improving digestion, these points help reduce the production of dampness in the body, allowing for quicker clearance of accumulated fluids. Bladder 23 and bladder 28 are significant points for reinforcing kidney and bladder function. These acupoints help to improve the overall health of these organs, combating issues associated with damp heat. RAN3 is located directly above the bladder and is effective in venting heat from this organ. This acupoint plays a vital role in alleviating symptoms associated with damp heat, such as burning during urination. Case study treatment of a 32-year-old female patient. This patient presented with a variety of health concerns, including menstrual irregularities, acne, and recurring thrush. Her symptoms were indicative of damp heat, which promoted her to seek treatment to restore her overall health and well-being. Patient symptoms and challenges. The patient experienced a menstrual cycle lasting 35 days, accompanied by significant premenstrual syndrome symptoms, including anxiety, mood swings, and physical discomfort such as painful periods with heavy flow and clotting. These symptoms are indicative of underlying imbalances impacting her overall health. The patient faced recurring thrush, which manifested with burning sensations during urination. This condition is a result of damp heat accumulation in the body, affecting the urinary tract and leading to uncomfortable symptoms. Digestive issues included feelings of bloating, gas, and food intolerances, which contributed to emotional fluctuations. These symptoms are interconnected with overall health, affecting her energy levels and mental state. Treatment journey and results. A timeline illustrating the progression of treatment and health improvements for the patient. The patient experienced a mild flare-up of acne after stopping antibiotic treatment, a common occurrence during the transition to natural healing. By the fourth treatment, the patient reported significant improvements with her menstrual symptoms and thrush completed clear, marking a turning point in her recovery journey. After 3 months of continued treatments, the patient showed substantial improvements in digestion and her menstrual cycle reverted to a 30-day regularity along with diminished period-related symptoms. The effectiveness of Chinese medicine. TCM addresses health issues by focusing on concepts like dampness and heat, enabling a holistic restoration of organ function. This Asian practice emphasizes the body's ability to self-regulate and heal without relying on detailed pathological definitions.